What's up, everybody? So this is Ken the Duck, and thanks for joining. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe, smash that button for me, and share it to your friends and family. Listen, we are going to get a pineapple.
After we get done business,
This is ridiculous. Is that $8 for that little bit of meat? I hope y'all are prepared. I hope y'all are stocking up. And here we go. So you can cut these off and grow them. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. We just came from Lowe's and I got some more plants. So I'm gonna show you guys everything once we get home. Let's go. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the pineapple
right now
and get them together so we can start growing our pineapple tree. Aren't you excited?
but the pineapple tree is like giant.
Yeah, it's gonna grow giant. That's why I'm
But how are we gonna
excited.
get them?
So this is my composter. I have cabbage, lettuce, everything, scraps, all of that in there, quail, dead quail eggs, everything. So my compost, we're gonna be growing some pineapples. I got one in water to test, and I just made another pot. I'm gonna have these 2, and we're gonna have this, and we're gonna grow some pineapples in the middle of fall. Across the water from Baltimore. We're gonna grow. I'm excited. This little lady done made eggs. Actually, that's not the lady. She's up there. It's the dad's turn today to sit on the eggs. So I'm going to try to move this and give them fake eggs and set up a nest so that they can feel a little bit more comfortable, because it's going to be cold and I don't want them, I want them to be good. So I'm excited. I'm going to have pineapples for my compost. I know it's messy out here. I'm sorry, you guys. It's fall. Get over it. But this is the little that I do on my balcony, our urban homestead. You see my lettuces, grapevines, blueberries, blackberries, onions, daylilies, potatoes, garlic, kale, Swiss chard. We're trying. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe and get tuned in, you guys. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't known already, just to run through, pineapples are succulent, so you can just cut off the head and you can grow pineapples from just that little top. And sometimes if you look in grocery stores, they sell them without the tops. So I wonder why they do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to grow 3 pineapple trees. We got 1 in water, and I got these 2 that I'm putting in soil. All right, you guys. So I pray you have a great day. Don't forget and like and subscribe, and don't forget to shop on our Amazon store. Okay, you guys. It helps us out and helps me support my family and this channel. Love you guys.